So in this video, I will show you how you can build a full website using AI and then go to Antigravity to customize and then push it to GitHub in just minutes. So my client wanted a scrolling horizontal animation like this in their website. So when I was searching for ideas, I got into this website. This really looks clean and wonderful. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clone this exact animation, motion, everything in our website. For that, I'm not gonna be using the Cloud or Antigravity. Yeah, I'm gonna be using Antigravity for customizing things, but not to build things. So I'm gonna be using Lovable to build the things. So here I'm gonna just paste a prompt, and this is a prompt, and here I'm gonna be adding all the blueprint, and I have already created the blueprint PDF. And if you want that prompt and the PDF and everything, just go to the link in the description, you can have there. So first let's add the PDF file. So here, come over here and attachment, and then select the file. So right now we have added that PDF file that contains the blueprint. Now let's add the link. Here I'm gonna just, okay, so let's add the link. Copy the link and come over here and paste it. I also attach the screen recording which gives more data. So here I'm gonna add that. So I have added that video too, and it is loading. There is one important thing you must know. In Lovable, it default as build. So you need to change the build to plan. Okay, and then after that the video is loaded. Now let's just enter it. Now Lovable is asking for the approval, so I'm gonna just approve it. Now it's gonna build the website for us, I mean the horizontal scrolling, and it's done guys. Let me just full screen it. So in the full view, you can see how the animation works. So when we scroll, you can see how the horizontal animation is working, and here you can see the placeholder where you can add custom image of your website. And when you scroll down, you can see until the end about the text, pictures to add, and summary and so on. You can just adjust everything according to your brand. So let's just customize that, but for that I'm going to be moving the code to Antigravity. Here you can see I have used almost 4.30 free credits. So let's just download the code by linking to GitHub. So connect, and this is the whole code, and I'm gonna just download it. Download here, zip file. Okay, so now we got the code. Let's just move this code to Antigravity, and these are the code. And our first step is make sure Antigravity understand the code base. So for that I'm going to be adding a prompt that will let Antigravity to understand the components, hooks and everything. So here I'm going to just paste a prompt here. This will not modify the code or refactor or such a redesign, and its only job is explain and document. Here I'm going to just make sure it's high, and then I'm going to just enter. After analyzing everything, Antigravity created the project documentation, and this is the documentation it has created, and you can read it if you want to make sure everything is right. And after reading that, proceed with the next step. And the next step is customizing everything according to a client's brand. So for that, here come to this section. Here you can see all the text we use in our homepage, and all you need to do is customize everything. So here I'm going to just select this one, experience. Here you can change the title, eyebrows and body here, and don't change anything like align or accent. Okay, just like that you can customize things. And when you're done, come out to Visual Studio. Here I'm going to Visual Studio and open the file, and here I'm going to just open the file. Let me show you demo. Right now all I did was move the whole code to our Visual Studio. What we need to do next is create a repo in our GitHub account. Go to new, here just type your repo name, add description if you want, and also if you want to make it private or public, you can just choose anything. I'm gonna just choose this as public for now, then create a repo. So right now this is our repo, and all we need to do is just copy this. It is important, just copy this and then move to our Visual Studio, and then type in as push this code to our repo and add the link here, and this is repo link, and then just make sure I have a repo. Okay, and then just enter. Before adding all this, make sure you have connected your Visual Studio to your GitHub and also have installed the git bash, and just like that we have successfully pushed the whole code in our GitHub repo. You can just go to this link, or you can just come over here and just refresh. just like that, we have pushed the whole code in our GitHub, and all you need to do is just grab this code to a hosting and make it live. Simple as that. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next awesome video. Thank you for watching.